Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Another unit in white and gold paint. This is a king size bed with two side tables, nightstands as we call them, and this one is without storage and the contemporary quilting on the back and front as you can see. The nightstands of this one are higher than the regular units. This is 30 inches high, 21 by 15 and 30 inches high. About the bed size, this is a king size unit. King size mattress in India is 72 by 78 inches. That is the mattress area. Height of the back is 54 inches, 4.5 feet, and the front part is 27 inches high till this point. This is made for the mattress of 5 inches. So we have this space for 5 inches mattress. And this one is without storage. As you can see from the side, there's no storage on this one. Generally, when we have a thicker mattress like 15 inches, 18 inches or something like this, or even 13 inches, then storage doesn't make sense because the storage area gets very less. So these type of beds are very nice and good for thicker mattresses. And even when in 90% cases out of India, people don't like the storage part. So we make units like these. White and gold is a classic color. In beds, when you have such theme like white and gold, it looks very beautiful, and with the colors and theme of your place, something like this can be considered if you like really subtle kind of designs. The design on the back, the carving, and similarly on the front part, it's not very high or heavy carving, and the back height is also not very high. It's 4.5 feet only. Generally, I've shown you 5 feet, 5.5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet high backs. This one is a little lesser and a regular size. But with the contemporary quilting here, when you sit on the bed, it gives you a very comfortable feeling sitting on the bed. The nightstands, as per the client's choice, has got 4 drawers each side, so ample space for storage, and a nice size, good size that goes with the unit. Now I'll talk about the space that you require for this kind of setup. 72 inches is the inner area that we have for the mattress. Out and out, you would require 6.5 feet area for the bed left to right. And with these two units, around 10 to 10.5 feet, you require from this corner to that corner to put this kind of bed. These are king size units. If you're looking for queen size or smaller size, that can also be done in similar frame, similar design, and the colors can also be done. And from front to back, here you need around 7 feet area to cover these kind of units. So 10.5 to 7 feet area this would cover. Obviously, these sides are clear, but the area is 7 feet that you require here. About the designing part, this is the hand carving, the quality and the work of our artisans. Everything that you see, this is on solid teak wood. This is not molding or something that is pasted over MDF. This is everything that you see is in teak wood. The back and the front, both parts. These sides are also wood. The middle part on the top that you see is ply. The rest everything is the wood part in this unit. Designs, we have a number, big number. On the YouTube itself, we have posted more than 50 to 60 videos of different beds, different colors, different designs. And a number of designs are in pipeline. We're making very different sizes. This one is going to Mumbai. So anywhere in India you want, you can let us know, we'll deliver to your place. Outside India, we're delivering almost everywhere except a few countries. So if you are looking for something like this to be imported to your country, let us know, we can do that for you. We have the door delivery options also, or port delivery. All the options are available, so we can accordingly make it and send it to you. The colors of the fabric is your choice. If you want something very shiny, very bright, that can also be done. So different color fabrics are available. Design, size, color, fabrics, storage, no storage, and nightstand, smaller, bigger, different design, you can select, and whatever you like, we'll make that. For the pricing, you can contact us or you can visit our website. There are prices of a lot of items. And if you contact us, we'll get the pricing as per your requirement. Hope you like our art, hope you like our work. Would request a few comment of yours. Thank you so much.